Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Auto Rebuilds Garage, and today we're at IAA auctions again, and we're looking at some burnt vehicles. In this video, we're gonna go over all the vehicles that it became lit. Hopefully everybody's okay. Be sure to let us know in the comment section below what you guys want to see. There's a lot of videos that we're putting out at the IAA auction, so go check out the playlist. You guys will see all kinds of trucks, cars, SUVs, motorcycles, snowmobiles. We look at everything, so comment below. Now let's get into this video. So we got two cars right here, two gems. This thing is a 2016 Ford Explorer. The reason they call them Ford Exploders, because this thing literally exploded. I mean, there's nothing left of this thing. You could just take it to the dump. I mean, there's nothing more you could do with this thing. Maybe a yard ornament. And this is a, what do you think? Is this a Chevy Cruze or
looks like
Ford Focus?
No, that's Ford Focus.
Chevy Cruze? Well, this Chevy Cruze is in the same boat as that thing. Just completely goners. Take a look at the interior. Everything's just melted, all that plastic.
What do we got next?
The Ford, and it says might roll, so I don't know which way this thing is rolling, but hopefully it's not that way or that way. This is a 1985 Eco line, or Eco, something like that. I mean, there's a grill in here, and there's an not axle, it's diff, hubcap. This thing got demolished.
You got shiny hubcaps though.
I know. Look at that. I don't know what this thing is.
Jetta, dude.
Jetta?
Jetta.
This thing is destroyed. Even the license plate burnt out.
Has a little bit of paint though. It was red.
Okay.
No motor. Oh, motor's in the car.
I wonder if they like took it.
Or there's the motor.
Definitely somebody messed with this thing. It's upside down too. So moving on, and the thing is, what we noticed is kind of a lot of American cars are the ones that are burnt. This thing, it melted the rim. Look how hot it got.
How toasty it got.
Engine completely
Gone.
melted.
Look how hot it got. So hot the engine melted.
Disintegrated. Does it say what year this thing is? Nowhere?
Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, there's a sticker right there.
This looks like something DIY gang will pick up.
Yeah, next build for DIY game right here. There's a metal bumper in the back.
What is this thing?
See what it is?
Durango?
That's a Chevy.
Chevy? The Tahoe or?
Trailblazer or something. Let's see.
That's bro, it's a Cadillac. It's a 2004 Cadillac Escalade. We were both wrong. Kind of hard when you got nothing to. I mean, look at these rims though.
Yeah, one rim is not good. No rims are good. Damn, this thing got destroyed. This thing got rolled like 37 times.
Look at that, the roof even came off. Still smells burnt. Can you smell that?
Still burning. This thing probably got caught on fire and just let down.
They're caught on fire. Looks like it's a catering. What is it? Jeep? One of those smaller Jeeps. Liberty? Oh yeah, right. Cherokee, yeah, definitely. Also, just like the other ones, this thing exploded.
Yeah, for the AC condenser, still good, probably. Yeah, we got some kind of.
It's a Chevy Equinox, no?
Traverse 2011
Traverse.
Emblem's good, kind of damaged. Then we got a Dodge Journey.
Is there any oil?
Doesn't look like there's any oil.
Look at this thing, 2003. Oh, almost ran into the spider here. 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I mean, you could still have, I mean, you still could get the rims. Didn't your Lexus IS that you had these rims? Something like that. And some snow tires for that.
Mint.
Mint condition. And this thing is what? Trail boot laser also.
Some kind of a trailblazer. Look at this Chevy.
Look at that. All the cars, most of the cars are American made cars. I don't know, do they short now or wiring, harness? What's going on with them?
It's a Blazer too. Can't see what year it is, but it's a Blazer.
Look at this. This is a 2018 Ford Focus. Brand new Ford Focus. Just burnt.
Runs and drives though.
And this is what is this thing?
Hyundai Kona 2018 too.
2018 Hyundai. Also, guys, Cadillac.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Thing got cooked.
Okay, we got one more thing for you guys, and it's this Ford F-250, probably 2001. It is a 250. Yep.
Bumper so good.
Yeah.
And you got a spare engine.
In the back. Look at that.
Alright guys, so this is it for the burnt stuff. Obviously this stuff, I don't think any of it's fixable, but yeah, it just is crazy. The stuff they have out here, they're a bunch of burnt stuff. They make good parts cars or scrap cars, or it doesn't matter what you guys want to do with it. Or yard ornaments. So if you're into this kind of stuff, if we do have stock numbers for them, we will post them down below. If we can't find them, we're sorry. You might have to just go on their website at IAA and look them up. So this is it for the burnt stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what else you want to see. Bye.